Sprite tea, the flavor combination that nobody asked for, but I'm going to try. Smell test. It smells like Sprite. Taste test. It's pretty color. Tea color. It made me hiccup. Okay. These are my thoughts. It tastes like Sprite, and then it has an aftertaste of tea, but I like it because I like Sprite and I like tea. I'm a big tea drinker. So one more. Yeah. So you drink it, Sprite, and then you breathe out tea. So I like it. I would drink it again. That's my take on the Sprite plus tea phenomenon.